guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome to my closet, girl. I know this setup is a little different, but you guys are in my closet right now, and you guys, unfortunately, I have to sell some of my stuff because I want to do some more shopping on Pretty Little Thing. I want to do a Target haul, but I just spent way too much money, so I have to sell some of my stuff. I don't want to, but I have to. I've been using Poshmark for quite some time. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, let me tell you, sis, this is the new wave, okay? I'm sure you guys have some clothes in your closet that you feel like, oh my gosh, I don't want to take any more pictures in that dress or those pants because I wore it all over my Instagram and I kind of want to refresh my wardrobe. That Poshmark is a perfect spot where you can refresh your wardrobe. Basically, you can shop out my closet, I can shop out of your closet, okay? That's just to sum it all up. You can sell new or used clothes on Poshmark. You set your own prices, you do your own thing. It is so convenient. I love Poshmark. I've been using Poshmark for about a year now. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys already know I always be selling like silk shirts and stuff that I get from the thrift store on Poshmark. So you guys got to make sure you guys follow me. So I got a few things here for sale. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm selling this week on Poshmark. This video is sponsored by Poshmark. Shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring. The stuff sells really quick. Really quick. Definitely when your prices are super affordable. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so I really don't know what stuff I'm selling yet. I'm just going to go through my closet. And I told myself I have to get rid of some stuff. I want to buy some more stuff, but I have to get rid of some stuff because my closet is so, I don't even know if you guys can see it all. It's all the way to the end and all the way, like it's jam packed. So I have to sell some stuff, okay? So I know for a fact that I want to sell this pajama set that I wore on Instagram the other day. You guys, this set was real cute. It gave me Zara vibes. So I think I'm going to go ahead and sell it because it's so like out there. I don't want to wear it again. I want to look like I'm just balling. So I don't want to wear it again. I took the pictures in it. It did what it needed to do. It served its purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this little pajama set. It's in a extra large. I'll insert a picture on how it fit. It's very oversized, guys. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and sell that. I have to be open-minded, you guys. I have to talk to myself about this because, like, I just really need to talk to myself. Like, Bree, you can do this, okay? You can do this. Okay. All right. So, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this really cute dress. I love this color. This is the perfect color for fall right now. I'm not sure where I got it from, but I'm sure I didn't wear it because my butt is kind of too big and it's like, I think it fit too short. I wish it went to the knees, but it's really cute. If you're not as curvy, even if you are curvy and you like mini dresses, I think this will be real cute. I like that the shoulders are cut out. I'll insert like a clip on me trying this dress on for you guys, but I think this is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that because I haven't worn it and I had it for about a year. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna keep that. Okay, I don't know, I don't want to get rid of this. Oh my gosh. So this is a midi dress. It's really cute, y'all, and it's olive green, so it's perfect for the fall, but it has like these gold buttons on the side. I really don't want to get rid of this. I really don't want to get rid of this. Why am I selling this? Why am I selling this? Scratch that. I'm not selling this. I'm gonna keep this, okay? I'm gonna keep it. Alright, so okay, I can sell this. I'm gonna sell this olive green dress here. It's a sweater dress. It's oversized. It's real cute. I'm gonna sell this dress here. I'm not gonna look at it too long, guys, because if I look at it too long, I'm gonna be like, I'm not gonna sell it. So I'm gonna just put that to the side. Okay. Alright, Bree, you got this, Bree. You got this. You got this, girl. You got this. Okay. I'm gonna sell this. Is so cute. This comes from Fashion Nova. It's just like a cardigan. It's like a rain. I forget what it's called, a rainfall cardigan or something like that. It comes with the belt on it. It's super cute. This is really cute for the fall. Real cute. I never even worn this before. I don't know why, but it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. Okay, keep going, Bree. Keep going. I just have so much clothes. This is from Forever 21. This is a hoodie. This is a nice little sweater with a hoodie on it. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna sell it, okay? I'm not, because I can wear that. I haven't worn that yet, okay? Okay, I'm gonna sell this Savage dress here from Fashion Nova. I'm not really into like oh, I gotta sneeze, y'all. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm not really into like words on my shirts and stuff anymore, but this is cute for girls in college or if you're in high school. It's oversized. It's super cute. It's from Fashion Nova. It's super trendy. It still has the tag on it, girl. Still has the tag. It's in a size large. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that because I'm getting a little, I'm growing. I can't be wearing shirts that says Savage on it. I just can't do it. Okay. I am obsessed with silk shirts, you guys, but there's no reason why I have 2 silk pink shirts. Like, I have 2 of them, so I'm gonna sell one of them. They're oversized silk shirts. I thrift these, but it's no excuse why I have 2 of them, so I'm gonna definitely sell one of them because I need to make room. I have 3 shirts. I have 3 silk I have 3 silk shirts, the same exact colors. I love this color, you guys. It looks so plush, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one. This one is real cute. Oh my gosh, it looks so rich. I'm gonna sell that one. Really affordable, you guys. My prices are not gonna be expensive. They're gonna be like really, really cheap, like $10, $7, $5. Okay, so okay, how many things I sold? Okay, I gotta sell some more. Alright, I'm gonna sell some more. I don't want to sell any more of my stuff. Shoot. Okay, alright. Okay, Bree, you gotta do this. You gotta sell more stuff. Okay. Now this is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. You guys gave me so many compliments when I wore this. It was so cute. I didn't wear it yet, but it's just so cute. I just haven't found a place to wear it yet, and I feel like I haven't worn it since I received it, but it fits my body so well, but I don't have a place to wear it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I don't want to, but I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and get rid of it because I don't wear it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sell this leather jacket here. Super cute, but it's a little too small across the breast area. I need me another leather jacket, but I want it to be a little oversized, and this one kind of fits like a true large, and you guys know that I'm a little busty, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so that's all the clothing pieces that I'm selling right now. I'm gonna show you guys the shoes that I'm selling. This is like a love and hate situation because I do not like selling my stuff, but I know I'm gonna shop some more this month, so this is just gonna allow me to receive more money instead of just putting out money. You guys get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you guys what shoes that I'm selling. Okay, let me get the shoes. Okay guys, I really am kind of upset because I do not want to sell my shoes, but I haven't worn them in almost 2 years. I bought them, I never wore them before. They are from Aldo. They are super beautiful, you guys. They are shiny. They are really, really, really pretty. I just haven't worn them. I just think I like to look at them. They are in a size 8.5. They're a little dusty. I have to wipe them down, but they're super cute. They are super, super beautiful, you guys. They're so classy. And they are from Aldo, and I'm going to go ahead and sell those. Okay guys, I thought that was it, but I was looking through my stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and sell. You guys know I'm really into mules right now. That's my favorite type of shoe. If you guys don't know what mules are, they kind of shaped like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna say this real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and sell these because I don't even know why I'm selling these, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell these rose gold mule heels. And you see the sparkle glitter in the heel. They super cute. I wore these like one time, guys. They're super cute, and they are in a size 8.5. Usually my shoe size are in a 8.5 or an 8. So this is an 8.5, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell these. These are so beautiful. Like, this is me. When you look at this shoe, this is me. I have so many mules, but I'm gonna go ahead and sell them. I'm gonna go ahead and sell them. I'm gonna go ahead and sell them, y'all. So that's it, okay? That's it for right now. Go ahead and download the app, Poshmark app, on your phone, or you could do it on your computer or whatever. It's a really cool app. It's really easy to navigate, you guys. It's super clean and crisp. If you want to search anything, it's super easy. Go ahead and leave your closet down in the comment section so I can shop your closet. You can shop my closet. We can become besties. We can become friends. Let's go in each other's closets. And that's basically it for this video, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to download the link. And yeah, bye guys.